Hey everyone! Let's jump to the last assignment from the previous video. Create a program that uses JavaScript variables to calculate the cost of an item based on its price and a 15% discount. First, we need to create the variable to store the price of the item. Let's call this variable price. Next, we need to create a variable to store the discount amount. We can call this variable discount. The discount amount should be calculated by multiplying the price of the item by 1500. Finally, we need to create a variable to store the total cost of the item after the discount. We can call this variable total. The total should be calculated by subtracting the discount amount from the price of the item. Once we have all of the variables set up, we can use console.log to print out the total cost of the item after the discount.